to get started with Qartwil. So once you log on to Qartwil.com, this is what you will find, landing page. To get started, which is to register, you can do that by clicking on either of the get started for free buttons. Okay. You can also do that by going through the pricing. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the plans for everyone. We have 3 packages: the starter, standard, and the premium. The starter is more of an installmental plan. All right, the first payment you make is 20,000, and you make 5,000 naira every month for 4 months only. Okay, so generally that's 5 months. Okay, that's to sum everything up, it will be 5 months. We did the first has to 20,000 and then 5. So if you want to be convenient and still have professional view, this is a good plan for you. Does it limit you in any way? It doesn't. Qartwil is all about visibility and branding. So we care about your brand and we care about your visibility. So we just try to make life easy for all our vendors. All right. So the standard package and the starter package are both .com.ng. As you can see, free.com.ng domain here. Even with the starter plan, your domain is custom. It is your business.com.ng. Like I said, the starter plan is just for convenience. It doesn't take anything off your features. None. All right. So you notice all international, everything listed here. Okay. The same also here. Remember, like I mentioned, they're both the same. After completing this payment, your package will be automatically updated to standard. So your next payment, that's your renewal after 1 year, right, would be 35. Okay. Premium, the only difference you have here is the .com domain. So if you want your business to be your business.com, premium is the package for you. All right. So let's not waste much time. Let's get started. We're going to get started with the starter package, and you can see I just clicked that here, and here we go. All right, welcome to the register page. Now you note that we have the left hand side is a form, while the right hand side is a preview of what it will look like when your business is being searched for on Google. Okay, yeah. All right, so you can see the selected package in starter, which we did. If you want to change that, you can always click on that to select the right one. Qartwil works for not just Nigeria, so if you're from another country, you can find your country and get along. Okay. All right, so we're going to move on to the first name. We're going to use John Doe. Okay. Phone number. Okay, I'm just going to copy this and paste here. Okay, great. The email address is going to be John. All right, John@Qartwil.com. Business name, we're going to use John Fragrance. Okay. The domain selection is .com.ng. If you want to change that to .org.ng, you are free to do so. But mind you, if you select any other domain that does not cover your plan, you're going to get an error like this. The startup package requires the .com.ng or the .org.ng. So we're going to stick to the .com.ng. If the name of your business is automatically your store URL, and if you want to change that, you can toggle this to manual and write the name you want. So if I wanted to go for John Fragrance, I could do that. Okay, but if I love the name as the domain, the store URL, I could just switch back to my auto, and that would be it. All right, cool. So moving on to business address, let's just say 10. Okay, that's your business location. Okay. State, Amawa, password. Make sure to select and do well to read the terms of service so that you will know what you are getting. All right, so after you've done all of that, you just need to sign up, and we should be good to go. Great, so that is how you get started on Qartwil. Right, so next tutorial would be navigating the dashboard, and we'll do that